8 tips for a summer photo shoot. Today I had the pleasure of being a part of a summer photo shoot and it was 90 degrees outside. Yes, so I got my wheels turning on new tips and tricks to add to what to do prior and during a photo shoot. So tip 1, make sure that you are hydrating yourself 24 to 48 hours prior to. Tip 2, make sure that you are not eating anything that will bloat you 24 to 48 hours prior to. Tip 3, make sure that you are moisturizing yourself with body butters, body oils, body lotions prior to. Tip 4, make sure that you're bringing napkins or blotting wipes for our makeup ladies. Today it was 90 degrees. Makeup was dripping. Tip 5, make sure that you are staying hydrated during the photo shoot, so bring your water. Tip 6, for my ladies who are wearing our heels, make sure you're bringing a pair of flats or sandals so you can just easily slip those on when you're walking from location to location to get those different looks. Tip 7, if you have kids, make sure that you are bringing them snacks and toys to play with. And tip 8, make sure that you are bringing your smile and your confidence. For more style tips and tricks, make sure you're following Closet Invite.